Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you F-Secure mobile security how to arm. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To activate F-Secure mobile security on your device, what you need to do first is head over and open up the App Store for your iOS devices or users, and then on the search bar type in F-Secure. Now look for an app icon like this on your search results and then tap on it. Now on tapping it, all you gotta do is tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now for Android devices, open the Google Play Store on your device, then search for F-Secure mobile security, then tap on the app and then tap on the install button to successfully download the app. Now once downloaded, what you need to do is simply launch the app, so simply tap on open, and then if you already have an account or if you don't have an account, simply tap on register and then review and accept the license terms and permission requested by the app, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. By following these steps, you can effectively set up F-Secure mobile security on your device, ensuring comprehensive protection against various online threats. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.